Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. If you have one of these Worx ZipSnips, I use them pretty often, but I wanted to get a case that I get stored in. So you pick up this case, and it's pretty cool. It's got the orange accent to it. And you basically just open that up, and then it's got like a nice little compartment that fits the ZipSnip nice and safe, and then you can put your accessories like your instruction booklets. You can put that in there, or you can even put like your charging cable. Put that in on one side of it. Then you zip that shut, and then you have your ZipSnip nice and protected. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there.